Welcome to the assembly procedures for the fifth module of the retrofitting of a normal bike into e-bike. This module comprises the installation of cable connections and their fitting to the bicycle. To carry out the retrofitting of this module of the bike, the tools required are one cutting plier, one P8O screwdriver. The needed kit parts are battery cover and screws, cable ties, power cable extension, and a wire split loop. The first step in this module is to make appropriate cable connections. To start, take the cable extension to connect the hub to the battery. Make sure the connection is properly done. Now, collect the cables of the hub, brakes, and LED control unit together and take them towards the battery for further connections. Then, connect the battery and the sensor cables. In this kit, cables are provided with different harnesses. The next step is to find and connect the corresponding male and female connectors for the different sensors. Now, identify the motor and power cables and connect them matching the different colors. After making the required connections, we start to create a cable tree. Take the cables from the brakes and LED control unit and wrap them together using the loop. Now, include the power cable from the hub to the cable tree and wrap further to cluster them. In the same way, include the axle sensor cable to the cable tree. Now it's time to fix the cables to the bicycle frame. Start with the power cable from the hub. Use cable tie straps to fix it to the frame. To continue, hold the cable tree against the frame and check if there is enough room to turn the handle without restrictions. Selection of adequate location of the frame to tie the cable is important to assure the stability of the cable tree. Pull the ties completely to restrict slide of the tie strap along the frame. In the same way, align the cable on the frame and fix it completely. Now, take the end part of the cable tree and tie it to the vertical frame. Try to keep the cables loose. Then, cut the ends for all the ties using the plier. Now, push all the cables and connections inside the battery cover. Then place the holding plate in the cover to restrict the cables inside. Align the cables to the bottom open slot of the battery case and fix the cover. Finally, fasten the screws on the cover with the case using a screwdriver. Now, the retrofitting of the bike has been successfully completed. Congratulations! You have contributed to the sustainability by retrofitting your normal bike instead of buying a brand new e-bike.